Introduction. Our project explores the concept of information lifecycle management (ILM) and its importance in today's data-driven world. It will cover various stages of the information lifecycle, including creation, storage, usage, archiving, and disposal, and discuss best practices for managing each stage. What is information lifecycle management? Information lifecycle management is the process of overseeing data throughout its life cycle, optimizing storage systems, and lowering associated costs. It deals with challenges related to data storage, including security, compliance, and regulatory issues. Uh, examples of life uh, information examples of information lifecycle management are Veritas Enterprise Vault, IBM Spectrum Protect, Commvault, NetApp on top. Description into the description for the introduction. Description for the information lifecycle management is a comprehensive approach to managing data from its creation to its disposal. It ensures data integrity, security, and compliance throughout its life cycle. The process begins with data creation and capture, focusing on maintaining data quality and consistency. Next, data storage and maintenance involve categorizing data based on sensitivity and usage. Efficient data usage enhances user experience throughout effective retrieval systems and intuitive interfaces. Data archiving and retention ensure long-term storage considering future retrieval needs. Finally, data disposal and destruction employ safe and compliant methods like shredding, degaussing, and encryption to securely eliminate data. Discovery.
So, for the discovery, information lifecycle management refers to the systematic approach to managing data throughout its life cycle from creation to deletion. It involves strategy, process, and technology to effectively manage information, leading to improved control over information in the enterprise. Data and in information, data and information gathered in the information lifecycle management, sources of data, methods of data capture, and key considerations, outcomes of implementing ILM, efficiency, cost savings, compliance, decision making, and customer satisfaction. For balancing security and
What start with what we learned?
okay, so what we learned from information lifecycle management implementation, this is best practices which help ensure data quality and consistency. This means regular data audits and validation processes are critical to maintain high quality and consistent data. This also means implementing automated tools to monitor data quality, which helps detect and address discrepancies properly and promptly. Next, we have our challenges. These are data integration complexities, which we need to overcome these complexities by investing in robust data integration tools and strategies. You have balancing security and access, which is finding the right balance between securing sensitive information and ensuring its accessibility to authorized personnel, which is a constant challenge. So for future considerations, we have obviously continuous monitoring and improvement, which I mentioned before, and then adapting to emerging technologies. Next, we have next we have how is our project connected to lifestyle management? Well, you have the data security, which Sandbox is a secure, isolated environment where you can test applications It is a virtual safety net giving you the freedom to explore without the fear of the consequences. So this ensures quality and tests data before entering the system, making sure we are protected against possible viruses or corrupted data. So for our challenges or timeliness, this takes a lot of time, especially for the developers and the user, just to get acquainted with this new technology. We had challenges that we'll mention later in the next slide that we had with different systems. And then user retention, how difficult it is, um, just downloading and using the sandbox is how long this user is going to use it for, or how much user uses it for. So some future considerations are showing users the corrupted links through emails or websites and showing how that affects your computer without damaging your computer using the sandbox, obviously. And then we have building the actual website so it it's easier for users to use rather than using their own sandbox. So for our introduction to our project, so for the introduction, so we have the demo, which is our sandbox that we use. Windows has one pre-installed in most of their um, devices, so it's a quick, easy process. Which is our first topic actually, is how to use a sandbox. Different challenges that we had were what I mentioned before: Windows 11 versus Windows 10. You also have Windows versus Apple, and all those other versions. And then you have having users install their own sandbox, which I said might be difficult for beginners or those who are not proficient with technology. Some future lesson plans that we've come up with are adding a firewall. Obviously, this helps filter in what data is coming in and out of your computer, and then updating security systems, making sure that your updates are up to date. And these two are just easy techniques that are going to help any user protect their computer from anything. Okay, so this is going to be our demo. We'll have Gavin lead you through the process of the sandbox and how to use it.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over how to download and enter into a sandbox, which is a sandbox is a virtual desktop environment that lets you run applications in isolation from your main operating system. So it's a safe place for testing, debugging, and experimenting with programs and other things that you might not necessarily trust. Uh, if you have anything that's Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro, or Enterprise, or later versions, you can download this. And uh, the sandbox uses virtualization to isolate applications from your host machine. Uh, so every time you use it, it's a new installation of the Windows, and nothing happens in this, so you won't have to worry about your data or information getting leaked out or anything. The simplest way to go about this is just going down to your search bar and going into Windows features. And it's going to pull up a little checklist like this. And you have all these applications that you can use, but Windows Sandbox is going to be on the bottom. Since I already downloaded it, it already has a check mark, but uh, yours won't. So you'll have to check it off and then you'll click OK. And then it will take you to another page, another page will pop up to where it will tell you to restart in order to download it and apply it. It'll take about 5 minutes to complete, and once you get back into it, an application like this will pop up called Windows Sandbox. It's a blue application with a white little box on the inside. You'll click on that. This blue screen will pop up. It'll take a little bit to load. And then it'll pop up with almost the same display that you have on a normal desktop. It takes a little bit to load. But as soon as it pops up, you have this. Nothing's downloaded on it besides obviously Microsoft Edge and the basic applications. But you can go on this, experiment, do whatever you want. Nothing will happen to your actual computer. You can close it out at any time. And it's just a safe environment for you to do whatever you need to do when you're. Hey guys,
So for our summary, we have the Information Lifecycle Management Project creates a comprehensive strategy to manage data from creation to disposal using automated systems, manual entry, cloud storage, all with encryption and role-based access controls, and ensures accurate data collection, secure storage, and efficient data usage and sharing. Automated archiving and metadata tagging made data retrieval easy, while data retention schedules and secure deletion methods ensures regulatory compliance. The project improved data management processes, enhanced security and decision making. Future prospects include using AI and machine learning for predictive data management, advanced analytics, enhanced security measures, and sustainable practices to reduce environmental impact. And that's it. Thank you.